He conquered it. Up, he's got it. And you go back there.
Ooh, the lady speaks Italian.
Yes. I find Grazie more interesting.
What did you do last year?
See?
What did you do?
I just inverted my last page, or my cover actually.
Wonderful. Beautiful. So now you're going to iron it and then top sew, right?
Yes.
And Zainab, can you tell me what you're doing?
I am pinning my fabric so that I can sew it.
Wonderful.
Turn.
So you're pivoting?
The best part of the class was being able to use the sewing machine to hem the denim fabric.
Awesome.
The best part of class was making the curved hem.
My favorite part was sewing the curved hem in the sewing machine.
My favorite part was when it was our first day and we were doing the buttons. We were stitching the buttons.
My favorite part was actually putting the book together.
My favorite part was doing the buttons and learning the different the different buttons to sew on. It's Zainab.
And the winner is?
Lara.
All right. So, what does she